Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. User level servicing. Weekly user maintenance is key. The pH sensors will require cleaning. Close the supply tap, unscrew the main hex nut 1 or 2 turns, and slide out the pH sensors. Clean them with a soft, clean cloth, and then reinsert, tightening the large hex nut until the rubber secures the glass. Open the supply tap until the sight glass beyond the sensor block runs full. Opening this tap too far will damage sensors over time. Cleaning the conductivity sensor. Close the supply tap and unscrew the large grey collar. Remove the sensor. Take care not to lose the rubber ring. Clean the eye and the stainless steel pin, and then reinsert the sensor with the stainless steel pin pointing into the flow. Open the tap until the sight glass beyond the sensor block runs full. Clean the filter. Turn the air scrubber off and wait until the pump stops. Remove the top of the filter from the 6 screw buttons. Remove the filter and clean this under clean running water. Replace the filter and fill up until the incoming pipe. Replace the lid, ensuring that the seal is clean. Screw down the hand buttons equally and opposites. Take care not to over tighten, as this could damage the clear lid. Restart the air scrubber. Cleaning the tech room. Housekeeping is essential, as it will find issues early, prevent corrosion, and prevent failures. Yearly user maintenance. Cleaning the filter package. Use the wash hose to rinse through the package. This may be required more often if pressure difference over the package rises faster. Check the data for your particular system to know the limit. For further support, please contact us.